Hi learners! Are you ready to get started with our lesson today? I hope so! Today we are going to be introducing spelling to complement our reading.
Materials!
For today's lesson, all you need is your thinking cap. We have two learning targets today. Our first is, I can read high-frequency words, the, is, a, an, can, and has. Our second is, I can segment, blend, and spell CVC, VC, and CCVC words like an, hat, and that.
Transition song.
Gather round together, together, together. Gather round together, together. Let's go. Stand up in a circle and think about what you've learned. Let's make some great connections between letters and sounds.
Fluency.
In our last lesson, we talked about how high-frequency words are those words that we will see a lot when we are reading and that we will use a lot when writing. So, if we practice these words and lock them into our brain, it will help us become more proficient readers and writers. To practice today, I am going to teach you a new game. It's called Go Fish. And you are going to need your fishing rod. That's right, your imaginary fishing rod. When you hold your rod like this, you can bring it up and then cast it out and then reel in the fish. And the fish that we are going to catch is a word. So for example, we just caught the word is. That's right. Are you ready to keep fishing together? Go ahead and grab your rod, cast it out, and reel in that word. What did we catch? What is that word? That's the high-frequency word, the. Are you ready to go fishing again? Take your rod and cast it out. Reel in that fish. And what did we catch? The word has. Okay, we have two more words to catch. Take your rod, cast it out, reel in that fish, that word, and what did we get? Can. Okay, here's our last fish for today. Cast out so far, reel in that word, and we caught. That's right, we caught the word an. Thank you for helping me catch these words in our first game of high-frequency word Go Fish.
Transition song.
Now it's time to listen, to listen, to listen. Now it's time to listen for each sound in some words. We hear sounds to spell words and then we can read words. It's time to say some words now and segment each sound.
Word work.
Repeat this word after me. Can. I'm going to use my fingers to tap out each sound in the word can. That is called segmenting a word when we break it apart. Let's try it together. An, can. How many sounds did you hear in the word can? That's right. There are 3 sounds in the word. Let's try it one more time. Segment with me. K, an, can. Now we're going to put each sound of the word can into sound boxes. The first sound, k, will go in the first box. The second sound, will go in the second box, the middle box, because it's the middle sound. And finally, at the end of the word can, we have n. So that sound will go in our last box. You can see that each of the three sounds have their own box. Let's do this next one together. Are you ready to segment each sound? Th, a, t, that. How many sounds were in the word that? That's right. There were 3. But wait, the word that has 4 letters. How can it have just 3 sounds? Well, the first sound, th, is made up of 2 letters. The T and the H work together to say th. So T and H, that's called a digraph. It just makes one sound or one phoneme. Let's tap it out again and we'll put the sounds into our sound boxes. Th, a, t, that. Let's tap out another word. K, a, p, cap. How many sounds were in the word cap? There were 3. Let's tap it out again. K, a, p, and then blend it together, cap. Let's put the sounds of the word cap into our sound boxes. This time, I want you to point to the box where each sound belongs. K, a, p, cap. Let's do one more together and segment each sound in the word mat. Are you ready? A, t, mat. How many sounds did you hear in the word mat? There were 3. A, t, mat. Let's put each sound of the word mat into sound boxes. Point to the box where each sound belongs. Are you ready? A, t, mat. Great work, readers.
Closing reflection.
Great job today. We always want to keep track of what we are doing to become stronger readers. What did you work on today that is helping you to become a more proficient reader? That's right. You worked to say each sound slowly and then thought about what sound was in the beginning, middle, and end of the word. I look forward to having you join me here again next time.